Good morning, Bob. Today we are going to start next topic of chapter first in accounting, limitation of accounting. Okay, beta? Before that, we have studied about the accounting, what is accounting, meaning of accounting, bookkeeping, accountancy, accounting nature, use, resources, accounting as an information. These are topics we had studied. Now we are going to next topic, that is the limitation of accounting. Here everything very useful, but they have some problem. Okay, beta? So as like the other things have some limitation or problem, same way here in accounting also some limitation and some problem is there. Are you saying some limitation? Now we are going to study the limitation of accounting. Okay, beta? Limitation of accounting. First, influenced by personal judgment. Actually, the accounting work done by the person. Okay, accounting work done by the person only. Sure and certain any person will do that work. Journalize, ledger, posting, final account, trading, peer balance sheet. These all will make by the person only. Okay, and the knowledge of that person about the accounting is very information, or about the accounting process, accounting thesis, accounting principle is very important, because they are always utilize his own knowledge to doing the process of accounting, doing the journal, doing the ledger, or making the trading PL and balance sheet. And if they have some problem, or they are not well known about these things, then sure and certain they are applying the wrong principle, wrong system, wrong rule. Okay, and on that time, that is as a limitation of the accounting, because that person, if they have no knowledge about less knowledge about the things, about the system, okay, then they are not able to apply, or they are not able to do the all process or all system of accounting. They are not able to make the ledger, they are not able to make the trial balance, they didn't know about the rules of final account, bill of exchange, or these things. So that problem will come as a problem of accounting. Okay, so first is what? First is the personal judgment, influenced by the personal judgment. The accounting always influenced by the person who is doing that accounting, that his personal judgment. Okay, now we are going for the based on accounting conveyance and concept and conveyance or convention concept. Actually, the accounting is always based on the conveyance and concept. Its own concept hai. Okay, own conveyance. Okay, and that accounting is always working or operating on the basis of this conveyance and concept. Okay, but the new time, but the being changing time, new and other defined concept and conveyance will come, but nowadays they are always utilize that past conveyance and concept. Okay, beta? And they are always utilizing his own principle, own concept. But nowadays the business system, business operation, business process is changed now. Okay, so there are needed some time of change there, but it's always based on the concept and convention. Okay, go for the next. After this, we are going for the next, incomplete record. We are talking about the record, information, or incomplete information. Accounting is given many type of information, but that information is complete, it's not right. It's wrong. Meaning more information is needed, meaning more information is in business, but that information not given by the accounting. Accounting is giving the information about the debit and credit. Accounting is giving the definition about the information about the debtor and creditor, about the assets and liability, about the profit and loss. But why this process is coming, and in future how the profit will change, exact sell, how many units, or how to sell these things, what is the future of this type of things, what is the future of the business. These type of information we cannot collect by the accounting. So we are saying accounting is given incomplete record in our information, incomplete information. It means you can say accounting is giving many type of information, but it's giving the complete information. It's not. Many type of other information is there that we didn't get by the accounting. Okay, beta. Now go for the next omission of qualitative information. Accounting is giving the information, but qualitative information is not there. How many units we will make? What is the profit in next year? Or how to change this profit? How we are going to develop our business? Qualitative information is not given. It is giving the quantitative information. 2000 units, 500 units, 1000 units, 5000, 3000 rupees, this, that rupees. But qualitative information not given by the accounting. As like that, they are not giving any type of information on the basis of you are going to take the decision, or on the basis of you are going to study that business or progress of that business. Only one thing is profit. But so many other things you are getting the profit, but your business is going on loss in the system of growth. Okay? Clear? Clear? Okay, clear? Next, based on historical cost. Based on historical cost. Actually, in accounting, we are always showing the all assets. We are always showing the all assets on the with the value of on the time of purchase. If we are going to purchase the assets in 2001, not on the time of this year, we are also presenting the assets with the value of same amount. But I think you well know what some assets had decreased the value, but some assets increased value also. As that is the land building. Okay? That values not depreciate, always appreciate. Okay? But machine, plant, motor vehicle, value will depreciate. Okay, beta? Depreciation means for the using of that asset, the value will decrease. That is called depreciation. So here we are always showing these all things, all assets in historical cost. It means we are showing the assets with the value of the purchase value, or on the time of purchase what value is there, we are going to show the value here only. But that is not right, because in time period for the just from 2001 to 2020, many things will change, many things change now. So we are going to present this assets from the current value, but in accounting we are saying in historical cost. Okay. Next, effect by the window dressing. Actually, the word is window dressing like that. You are seeing the many shop. The outside, you are seeing the outside is looking very good, but when you are going in the inside that shop, you are just seeing, oh, that quality is not good, that product is not good. Only showcase or showpiece is very good, but other things, main product is not good. Same like that, in this window dressing, we are going, our accounting is going to present wrong information or manipulation of information. They are giving the information about the purchase, but for less amount. They are giving the amount about the sale, but less amount or more amount. It means we are easily manipulate the information. We are easily manipulate the all information or many information in our accounting. So we can say it's a window dressing, because for the saving of tax, for the saving of his outputs, for the saving of taxation, for the providing less dividend. Many company, many organization try to just change the data, try to just present the wrong data, and that is called window dressing. Manipulate the data, that is called window dressing. Because by the manipulating the data, we can easily make the profit or other thing in own favor, and that is a like a limitation of account. Okay, beta. Next. Insufficient for forecasting. I think you well know about the forecasting. Forecasting is beta that anuman you are seeing in a news, weather forecasting, मौसम का पूर्वानुमान, like that. Okay, that things here in accounting we cannot take any type of forecasting on the basis of data of accounting. You cannot take any type of forecasting on the basis of profit. You are not able to say about that. Okay, this year we are getting this profit, so sure and certain next year we are getting the more profit or that profit or amount of that profit. Or our business is getting this year profit, or next year their growth are increasing the profit of 20%, 80%, 90%. Or this year we are easy to sell, so sure and certain next year also we are going to sell. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Now I am going for the next topic. Okay? Clear? Now we are going for the qualitative. Okay? Now we are going to start the qualitative characters of accounting information. First is reliability. Okay? It's accounting information is sure and certain reliable. Okay? It's sure and certain reliable data. Because if that information is not reliable, then you are not able to take the decision on that information. Okay, that sure and certain relate with the same business or same period or same type of information. If you want to verify the things, you can verify by the vouchers or verify by the different things. Because in accounting, when we are going to enter the entry or when we are going to enter the different thing or making the debit, credit or making the trial balance, PL, balance sheet, these all, so that we are taking from starting from the vouchers. So we can easily show the proof for the doing all the things. Okay, beta? So the proof for the doing all the things. We are easily show the proofs. So that reliability is very important, because if that information is not able to prove himself, then that information is not useful for the business. Okay, that is not useful for the accounting. Clear? Next, relevance. Relevance means they are just to relate with that same period or same time or same business or same type of information. If any information is coming from that business, so sure and certain they are related with the same period. If the information for the 2001, 2002, so sure and certain that is related with the 2001, 2002. Because in the business, many type of information or many type of transaction as like a outstanding or prepaid, outstanding for the last year, prepaid for the next year. Okay, these all we are going to include in our accounting. But when we are getting the information, so sure and certain that information is like that, they are giving the relevance, they are giving the data, they are giving the information to relate with the time period or relate with the same type of things. Okay. Next, understandability. For the understanding the information is very important. As like that you are just hearing the many type of language, but you are only understand Hindi and English. Why? Because you know about the things are Hindi and English. Same way, when the information is presenting in a systematic and sequenced way, so then you are easy to understand. And in accounting, we are going to present the all information and all data, all things, all information in systematic way. Okay? Or relate with the defined things. So that is very easy to understand the information. Okay, that is easy to understand. Understandability is very good from the accounting information, because if you are going to make the trial balance, easily you know about the mathematical part. You are making the PL, you will know about the net profit or net loss. You are making the trading, you will know about the gross profit and gross loss. Balance sheet, you will know about the financial position of the business. Will know about the financial position of the business. Okay, beta? Easy to know about the financial position of the business. Okay, beta? Clear? This system or understanding is very important for the accounting information, and our accounting information is present. Okay, that is very easy to understand what type of information we want to give. Because when you are seeing the journal, so in journal, here we are like that, cash, account, debit, it's a journal pro forma. Okay, amount, LF, this all will come, don't worry beta. Okay, to Ram, here we are putting the narration, one amount here and one amount here. It means, just see, we are giving the all information. It's the debit, it's the credit, here narration, why we are going to do this entry, and then the amount debit is here, and then amount credit here. LF, ledger folio number, where this amount, where this entry will transfer. Then in ledger folio, we are making the different account. It means we are giving the information very easy to understand. Okay. Now we are going for the next comparability. Actually, we are making the many type of statement. Are you saying cash book, trial balance, final account, balance sheet, trading, PL, bill of exchange, depreciation, many type of account and statement we are making in our accounting. Okay, beta? And by the making of this account of year to year, we are easily compare the same business accounts year to year or different 2 or 3 business account of same year, because we are making the statement, because we are making the trial balance, because we are making the final account, because we are going to make the cash flow, because we are making the comparative statement, common size statement. And these all is easy to compare the different business or same business with the different year. We are easy to compare beta. Very easily you are going to compare one business 2 or 3 year or 2 business same year. Okay, so in our accounting this comparability characters is available. We are easy to because same type of account is making by the 2 business, so then we are easy to compare. If both business is making the different type of account, so then the problem will come for the compare. But they are making the same type of balance sheet, they are making the cash flow, they are making the comparative statement, they are making the common size statement, they are utilizing the ratio. So we are easily compare the data or accounting of the both different 2 or 3 business or same business different years. Okay, beta? Clear? Next, faithful presentation. In accounting, we are going to present the all data with very faithful. It means the data or information you are getting by the accounting, you can easily believe on that data or information, because that information is came by the making of many type of account and statement, or research, or taking the classified and taking interpreted the things on the system of interpretation, on the system of making the ratio, cash flow. We are going to collect the information about the business. You can easily believe on all the information. Okay, beta? You easily believe on all the information, because that all we are going to collect by the making of many type of accounting things. You are just starting in accounting, beta. You are just starting in accounting. In 11th, you are just starting accounting. We are making the journal. After journal, we are going to make the ledger. After ledger, we are going to make the cash book. Then subsidiary book, sales book, purchase book, sales return, purchase return, bill book, bill payable book, bill receivable book. Okay, journal proper. Then depreciation, bill of exchange. These all we are making. Then we are going to make the trial balance, then final account. Okay, beta? So, the all information given by the accounting, we are easily believe on that all information. Clear? Now I am going for the next topic, that is role of accounting. Okay, beta? The role of accounting. Role of accounting. Okay, beta? First is role of language. Role of language. Okay, the role of language, this accounting presenting his data like a language, because we are presenting in a systematic way. We are presenting a different account. As like that you are making English and Hindi, and ABCD, that is the language. Same way we are presenting here also language. It's all information are different type of things, are in different way, are different system. So that is proved like a language. We are now going to study one new language in accounting. Okay, beta? Debit, credit, debtor, creditors, how to present, how to show, these all. Okay, beta? Next, role of historical record. Okay, by the making of accounting, we are easily to take the historical record. From starting, we are going to make the accounting. So all the record we have. Okay, beta? All the record we have. So by the maintaining of accounting, we can take or we can arrange the historical record also. Okay, beta? Then a role of determining net profit. Because of making of trading PL, we can easily determine the net profit or net loss. Okay, beta? Net profit or net loss. Next, a role of determining the financial position. Because of making of balance sheet. Actually, balance sheet definition is like that. The balance sheet is the statement by which we are knowing the financial position of any business. So same way, we are easily to know about the financial position of any business by the using of accounting. Okay, so the accounting role to determining in a financial position. The role of information system. This accounting is also giving his role, his data, his value, his use in information system. He is giving the information system. He is providing the information of senior accountant, the senior accountant manager provides the information to the owners. So they are giving the systematic record. They are giving the systematic information. Okay. Next, a role of serious points. In this system, we are going to provide the all information, all type of service, all type of. In accounting, we are going to make the different type of account, and by the making of that account, we are just provide the service as like a service provider. Okay, beta, we are going to provide the service like a service provider, as like you are going to one computer institute and just taking his data. Just tell about that. Give me some pages or take the printout of these pages. So then that computer is to provide you some what? Services. Same way, by the making of accounting, by the utilizing of this accounting, they will provide the services, beta. That accounting is provide the services. About the trading PL balance sheet is all. Okay. About the trading PL balance sheet, these all they are just provide the services. Okay, clear? On this video, we are only taking these three main points By the taking of these all points, this chapter is finished now. Okay? In next video, we are going to take the next chapter. If any type of problem, so just give me in comment and we'll try to solve that your problem. Okay? Thank you.